Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. I finally got my glass screen protectors for my front screen and my back screen. Finally getting around to installing them. I ordered them from Tesery. It's going to keep your screens from getting scratched or hopefully prevent them from getting broken. So this says shatterproof anti-scratch screen protector. So let's go ahead and install these now. This is something we should do right away. All right, so I want to carefully open this, and I suspect I'm going to need a knife, which I left inside. I don't know. Right there. Oh, screen protector accessory. Okay, there's my screen protector for the front, my screen protector for the back, and that is just to protect that. Installation guide. Check the size to ensure that the size is suitable. Use the mini alcohol wipe the screen. Sticky paper to clean the screen. Pull the guide mark and tear off the thin protector paper. Okay. All right, this one doesn't have a way to line it up. The toughened film is pasted on the screen and bubbles are gently extruded by hand. Installation is complete. Okay. Let me first get rid of my where I work. Let me see how I check the size. So I don't know if it matters if it's upside down or that way, but it says check the size. And I should lock the screen. There's a way to lock the screen here. Display. Ah! Screen clean mode. All right, there we go. Clean the touchscreen with a soft cloth designed for monitors and displays. Do not use cleaners wet dry. Hold to exit. All right, so I'm going to pull this one off. Okay, that's what came with it. That's what came with the car. And I'm going to take out one of these little wipes. My screen is perfectly clean. I just took that thing off of there. Not too worried about it. If anything, I'll be getting more dirt on there. So this is the back. Yeah, I'm going to want that to be like that. Pretty sure I want to hang this up like that. And once I get it in position, all right, could be down a little more. But side to side, it looks good. And it looks good. So then we want to pull this guy. Okay. And that's hanging where I want it. I just want to let it flop like that. And I want to smooth it out. Use this. Smooth out any kind of bubbles I would have gotten in there. That didn't go as smoothly as I would have liked. Let me hold to exit. Just because I want to see if there's any bubbles. And it looks like there's a bubble there. Yep. Okay. And bubbles can be just pushed out. Ooh, there's a big bubble there. All right, that looks really good. And then hold the exit. That was a little bit more difficult than I had thought. But yeah, look at that, fantastic. Now my screen is protected. That's the front. I'll do the back. I'm gonna lock the front. Lock rear display. We're gonna go back there and do the same thing. Okay, it's gonna be the same thing back here. It has already a screen protector on there. So we want to peel that off. And I can't imagine I need to clean it. It's already clean. It's nothing been back there. So I do want to take this off and keep this as clean as possible. And use my little let's see, back side. That's the back. Okay, I'm gonna try to avoid touching the back. Okay, so where are you? Okay, I want to get that lined up the best I can. Right there. Like that. And then I want to pull the screen off, the back of the screen. Super simple. Although back here I can't see the bubbles. So I'm going to go up front and unlock the screen. All right, now I can get some AC back here. Oh, that's off. On. Display mode. Clean. There you go. I want to see where the bubbles are, if there are any. And I simply don't see any. Clean the screen. That went super cool. I wonder who you can play chess against. Computer? You can play against the driver? Come on, are you serious? You can play against the passenger playing against the driver. Okay. Anyway. All right, my friends, that was pretty easy. That was some pretty low-hanging fruit. But it's definitely going to look better and be safer now, not worried about the kids breaking the screen or their phone or charger hitting the screen and breaking it. So, yeah, definitely better. Check this out. Yeah, now we're safe. That looks good. And you can play chess. All kinds of stuff. That is awesome.